Alright, so we're at my dentist appointment, and here's what I found. It's a carrier unit. It's caged. It's apparently locked up right there because there's some thieves that steals air conditioners, and this thing started up. Great, it started up. Carrier. The energy guide is faded, and the disconnect box is open. Alright, so it's from 2016, and it's a 5-ton. It's a 5-ton from 2016. So yeah, it started it up right now. That's great. Yeah, that's a thing started up, and I think let me find. I'm gonna try and find more over here. Oh no, there's no more. Okay, so you can see that. You can see the carrier from upstairs. So you can see it's caged up. There's an apartment right there. There's a Goodman and a Haier. That's a Haier, and there's a Rheem right there. So I've seen a lot of carriers today. So yeah, that's probably it. Let's go check the lines from the carrier. There's my mom. It's got a good install apparently. But yeah, this thing's from 2016, and that's a 5-ton from 2016. There's my mom right over there. Alright, so I found another carrier unit at my dentist, and this thing is huge. It's an Aquasnap carrier. Fans are up there. That thing is huge. I haven't filmed anything like this for a very long time. So, yeah. I heard something that started up. So. Yeah. Alright, so I guess that's it. Just no more air conditioners, I guess. But yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.